Disposable knife, fork and spoon tableware high-speed packing machine. With a packing speed of 40 to 240 cks per minute. Can be equipped with various feeders, napkin folding and feeder, knife, fork and spoon feeder, wet wipe, glove or card feeder, paper wrap toothpick feeder, pepper and salt package feeder, etc. The napkin can be designed with embossed patterns and can be printed with EBR color logos. The toothpick feeders come in hopper type and vibrating plate type. The thickness of the packing film is 16 到60 microns. PPP bob synthetic paper can be used for packaging. It can be equipped with secondary packing machine, set at 40 到110 bags per large bag.